Hi everyone, Nick here again, Fairfield Garden Center. Any questions or anything that you may have, either drop it in the comments underneath, or you can always email me at nick@fairfieldgardencenter.com. Today we're going to be unboxing a Aquascape 14 watt UV light. Let's get started. This is the Aquascape 14 watt UV light. It takes a 500 gallon per hour pump. And it has two fittings ranging from 3/4 all the way to 1.25 inches. Opening up this Aquascape box, I like to have it on its side because the tab to open it is right here. So first you pull up, lay the box back flat on the ground. You can open everything up and see what's inside. Got your instruction manual. You got your cord sleeve, it says right on the box. You got the UV bulb that's right there. You have your housing, transformer, fittings. They also give you the box with all the extra fittings you can need. You have their Aquascape fittings that fit certain size hoses and the NAS fittings to fit other size hoses. So whatever you have, they will probably be able to fit on here. Pull up that tab, see all the different fittings that they give you there. And that's it. If you would like to reach us, follow us on Facebook. Just search Fairfield Garden Center. Follow us on Twitter at NJFGC. Follow us on YouTube at Fairfield Garden Center. You can also sign up for our emails at fairfieldgardencenter.com. Or if you have a question for me, my email is nick@fairfieldgardencenter.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.